I am done wrapping, and I wanted you guys to see what it kind of all looked like together with the different bag colors and tissue color. These bows, they're matte and neon all at the same time, are from Dollar Tree, and I'm obsessed. So this one I used the yellow because there's like this pop here, and then this one I used the orange because there's orange in it. And then this cute little bag, it's also from World Market, and then the tissue that I got this morning, that's that color. And this bag is actually orange. It looks more closer to that. I don't know why it's looking so yellow. I mean, it is orange, but it's looking a little yellow. Anyway, and then there's that large bag, but just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I'm so excited. Hope she likes it. Yeah, so we're done there. The last thing I need to get is her birthday card, and then I'm getting balloons, and then I'm done. Sorry about the lighting. Whenever I wear white, it's gonna make it blinding, so I'll try to not move too much. But I am going to now fix the village set. There's some buildings I want to move around to make a little bit more sense. For example, I think this display should be Santa's workshop, which is right here. I think Santa's workshop should be, oh, there goes my shirt. Santa's workshop should be right here by itself, kind of like north in the North Pole. And then I'm gonna raise some of these houses up, and yeah, so I'm gonna fix that. Look at what I did. So I raised up the blue house, I raised up the church, although the fire truck is still hiding back there. There's another building hiding back there, but I don't have the space for like the dimensions of the plate, so fortunately just gonna have to look like this for now, but I really love it. And I put all the white trees on Santa's workshop, and then I moved the candy shop back here, and then I did raise up the post office. It kind of looks weird. It's leaning back just because I didn't have a plate stand for the building. So I just turned the vase upside down with a flat surface and laid the post office on top. So moved all the people. I don't know why it's not focusing. That's basically it. And then you probably saw me sprinkle the snow on those plates. Good morning. It is way too damn early. I should still be asleep, but I'm getting up for a very exciting reason. My niece is coming today, and I'm super excited. She is actually spending the night, so I get her this whole day and tomorrow. So I'm really, I've been really looking forward to this. So I just got up. I've been asked if I'm doing Vlogmas, and I'm gonna attempt it. We're gonna see what happens. I mean, I don't think this is gonna be every day. I'll tell you that much. But I'm definitely gonna try to put out more vlogs than I have been lately. And those words in that sentence was really slow. Okay, so I'm going to fix this super quick. Okay, I'm still having some issues figuring this all out, but I need to clean really quickly, and we're gonna use some editing magic, so let's go. Alright, so the last, I think, couple of clips that you guys saw, I was just getting the house kind of ready. My brother already came by, dropped off the baby, and we're actually going for a stroll. She was really tired, rubbing her, you know, blanket on her eyes, so I could tell she was sleepy. So we're gonna go for a nice walk. It's not too cold out, she's all bundled up, and already we've had a great time. And I'm so excited she's here. And so yeah, so we're gonna go for a walk, and then I don't know how much sleeping she's gonna do between here and maybe I'll have to put her down. We'll see. But then maybe I'm gonna take her to the mall later. I don't know yet, girl. That might be too much. Bless you. So I'm actually back from the walk. I don't know if I got that clip or not, but she's upstairs with my daughter. They're playing, they're watching a little movie, and I am looking through my editing stuff. I'm actually gonna attempt Vlogmas, even though my niece is not gonna be you won't see her face in my vlogs, just because I just don't think I just don't know how to say that. I don't want to put other people's babies, you know, in my videos. So even though I'm blood related to her, I just don't want to do that. So just want to let you guys know, if you're wondering if you're going to get to see a glimpse of her, I'm just not going to do that. But I am going to attempt Vlogmas. So I'm going to attempt to vlog where I can today while she's asleep, or while my daughter has her. And right now I'm actually going through Vlogmas day 1. I didn't film it November 30th, by the way. It's just a vlog that I already pre-filmed, and I'm just going to use it as Vlogmas day 1 because it's wintertime and I'm doing wintry Christmassy things, so it's going to count basically for me. Guys, let me turn this off really quick, but I am headed off to Target. She is sitting in her little seat, and I haven't taken a baby out since my daughter was a baby, so this ought to be interesting. She's not going to be in the clips, and I don't know how much I'm going to get to vlog because I don't know how I can juggle that. But if I buy anything, I'll definitely show you guys what I get. Okay, that was interesting to say the least. She was completely adorable. Got complimented a couple of times. Oh my goodness. She's just a doll. But Target was just too much. It was too much, too many people out, and tell me all about it. Tell me the tea. Spill the tea. No, so we're headed back. But she was completely adorable. She was just talking to everybody and waving. It was very cute. Oh, that traffic right there looks ugly. We're gonna be here a while. This is why I don't come out on Saturday nights. I remember now. I remember now, Boo Bear. Alright, so it's a fail, but I did get 3 things, or not that great, but I'll show you guys what I got. Did you find a bone? Trying to read her these Dollar Tree books. She took one with her. We got through Little Red Riding Hood. And there's Goldilocks and Jack and the Bean stuff. Did you find a bone? Loxy, no. That. No, don't eat it. Don't eat that. Hi. Trying to keep her up for about 35 minutes before she's got to go to bed. She's been rubbing her eyes and wanting to go to bed, but Trying to keep her up a little bit longer just because I don't want her to wake up in the middle of the night. She's trying to walk with the book in her hand. So cute. Why is that cute?